Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to add hyperlink in PDF Canva. So let's get started. So in the Canva, first of all, what you need to do is simply add the PDF to the Canva. So how you can do that is very simple. On the right upper side you will see create a design option. You need to tap on that, and then from here you will see the import file. So go with the import file, and then from here you need to select the PDF. So I will select this and open. So it will start uploading your PDF file into the Canva space. So it will take some time to upload. So after that, as you can see, we got the PDF file open. So let's just open the PDF file for real quick. And now, as you can see, we got the text and many more things right over here. So now if we just want to add like hyperlink into the PDF file, so how you can do that is very simple. First, what you need to do is to select any of the contents. Like I will select this option, like the content option right over here. Select this, and now what you can simply do is to right click on your mouse. All right, then you will see the link option right over here. So from here you need to select this, and then what you can simply do is to paste the link right over here. So how you can do that is very simple. Let's just go with the youtube.com. all right, then copy it, and then what you can simply do is to paste it right over here. All right, then place on done, and again done. So if you just tap on this, and you can see it's just simply go with this. As you can see, we got another thing is the text. What text has a underline, so we can simply just remove the underline by pressing on this option. So now it got a hyperlink. So how you can export this PDF now? It's very simple. Again, just right here, share button, then you need to tap on the download, and now select the PDF standard from here. Just select this, and now let's just download it from here. So let's just download the file right now, and then scroll it down until we got the contents option. So if we just move our cursor into the contents, as you can see the cursor changes. So if we just tap on it, and it will be redirecting to the website that you want to do. So that's how you can simply add hyperlink into a PDF in Canva. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.